I'll chase the shooting stars, go by, dance with the fireflies at night. It's all possible. I'm gonna dream up something big, 'cause life is better when it's lived. It's all possible. Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'll take on every day like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up.
Cheers to 75 years and 75 years more to come. Happy birthday, Daddy Felix and Mommy Helen.
Spread my wings, spread my wings. I'll float like a hot air balloon. I'll build a rocket to the moon. It's all
So, ang wish ko, umaba pa ang buhay at lalong lumakas. Umabot tayo ng 100 years more. At nagmahal pa lalo. At pagmamahal ay lumagaan papunta sa mga anak nyo at papunta sa mga.
possible.
Be happy. Happy birthday, Mama Papa. I love you. I love you.
Look at the world straight in.
Papa and Mama, sobrang thank you po sa lahat ng sacrifices. Sobrang dami nilang binigay na sacrifice sa amin, sa family. Especially sa amin kasi inalagaan nila si Sian. Ayan, ayan.
Look at the world straight in.
At dumami pa ang mga apo. Maganda at pogi. At umabot sana sa mga apo ng sa tuhod. Ha? Mila, I love you.
Spread my wings. Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'll take on every day like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in.
Sana ito ay dire-diretso na maging ano at sa amin lang ano ay happiness, long life namin mag-asawa na talagang kami ang soulmate na.